Research Spotlight. Magnesium versus titanium screws in bunion surgery. Published in Foot and Ankle Orthopedics, February 2026. The question: are bioabsorbable magnesium screws as effective as traditional titanium screws for hallux valgus correction? Key finding number 1. No significant difference in clinical outcomes between magnesium and titanium screws at 3-year follow-up. Key finding number 2. Magnesium screws showed comparable fusion rates and AOFA's forefoot scores to titanium. Key finding number 3. No allergic reactions or wound complications observed with magnesium implants. The clinical takeaway: magnesium screws offer a safe alternative with added benefits: no MRI interference, no need for hardware removal, and easier revision surgery if needed. Complete Orthopedics. Experience the exceptional. Learn more at cortho.org.